Something is stealing the happiness of an entire generation, and no one is talking about it. More teenagers and young adults are struggling with mental health than ever before. Depression, anxiety, self-harm, it's skyrocketing. But why? Did you know that teen depression has doubled in the last 10 years? Hospital visits for self-harm have tripled. And the worst part? Many people don't even realize how serious this crisis is. Is it social media? Academic pressure? Loneliness? Or something even bigger? Today, we're breaking down this hidden crisis, what's causing it, and, most importantly, how we can fix it. Because this isn't just a phase, it's a full-blown emergency. Let's talk facts. More than 40% of young people report feeling persistently sad or hopeless. That's almost half of all teenagers, and it's not just sadness. Suicide rates among young people have reached historic highs. And yet, we live in the most connected era of all time. Social media, FaceTime, constant notifications. So why are we lonelier than ever? Here's the truth. Social media makes us feel connected. But in reality, it's an illusion. We scroll through perfectly curated highlight reels of other people's lives, comparing ourselves and feeling like we don't measure up. We see someone smiling on Instagram, but in real life, they might be struggling just as much as we are. But social media isn't the only problem. There are 3 hidden causes making this crisis even worse. First thing, academic pressure. The pressure to get perfect grades, get into a top college, land a high-paying job has never been higher. Students spend 8+ hours in school, then go home and study for 5 more hours. The stress is unbearable, and burnout is at an all-time high. Second one, loneliness and isolation. Ironically, the more we connect online, the more disconnected we feel in real life. Face-to-face interactions are disappearing fast, and social skills, they're fading. Many young people feel like they have no one to talk to, like they're completely alone, even in a crowded room. Third one, sleep deprivation. Lack of sleep is a silent killer. Studies show that sleep deprivation increases anxiety and depression by 60%. And what's keeping us awake? Doom scrolling, binge watching, endless notifications. We tell ourselves just one more video, and suddenly it's 3 a.m. The way out. All right? We know the problem, but here's the good news. There are ways to fix this, and you don't need a complete life overhaul. Even small changes can make a huge difference. First way, digital detox. Try turning off your phone 1 hour before bed. It sounds small, but trust me, your brain will thank you. Second, real-world connections. Go outside, meet friends, join a club, start a hobby that doesn't involve a screen. Social media can't replace real human connection. Third way, prioritize mental health. Therapy, journaling, meditation, whatever works for you. Your mind deserves care, just like your body. Think about it. If you broke your leg, you wouldn't just tough it out, right? Your mental health is just as important. Look, the youth mental health crisis is real, but it's not hopeless. The more we talk about it, the more we understand it, the more we take action, the better things will get. If you're struggling, you are not alone. And if you know someone who needs to hear this, share this video, drop a comment below. Have you ever felt this way? Let's talk. Hit that like button if you believe mental health matters. Subscribe for more eye-opening content every week. And hey, if you need 5 super easy healthy hacks without doing anything, click here to watch.